Hi, what's up, Filecoin holder? It's game over, my brother. Completely, Filecoin is fails down, and definitely, my friend. Everybody tell me to what you say, my friend. Could they will recover? So first of all, I have two good news for all of you. The first good news is this, my friend. From last 24 hour, Filecoin will recover all the loss now, and I am so happy to see this. My brother, this time the change occurred last 1 hour, as you can see here, minus 0.7% fails down. Definitely, my friend. After a jump, the coin will fails down. So therefore, remember, my brothers, to after fails they will take a very huge jump now. So I know to upcoming time they will go in the moon and they will give you a very good profit. But let's forget this coin, my brother. This will be very good now from all of you, my brother. This time the file coin is very badly decreasing now, so every holders cannot expect this to they will move upward. But I expect this, my friends, to upcoming time they will move upward now. You know why? Because definitely this will be very good coin, my friend, for all of you. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Please, my technical analysis, absolutely, my friend. I do a technical analysis, especially from last video, and definitely, my friend, I note this to really can they will fails down, so they will move upward now. So absolutely, my friend, this is the formula from last 3 years. I use this, and absolutely I never lost, and therefore, my brother, 10,000 people trust on ABS channel. They are all subscribe this channel, so it's mean, my brothers, to this coin is completely go in the profit. Hold it, and remember, my brother, before you take any decision, research personally, but hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a very good profit. See you next time.